Hey, what is up guys? This is Redmi Note 5 Pro. You're actually looking for 15,000 smartphone? Here it is. A smartphone that has a 6-inch 18:9 display, which is totally great. And if I talk more on this has a 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera with a fingerprint, and at the bottom there is a Mi branding. On the top front there is a 20 megapixel camera and sensors. That's pretty great. On the right there are buttons that are tactile, and on left there is a SIM slot, which is still the hybrid. Basically you will get a 64 GB internal memory. On the top there is an infrared sensor, and at the bottom there is 3.5 mm jack, micro USB connector and speakers. So let's talk about the camera only. The smartphone has a 12 plus 5 megapixel camera with RGB sensors, and both of these cameras sport RGB sensor. And if I talk about this thing, it's the first smartphone that has this thing. It takes shots pretty fast. There is no lags, there is no issues with the smartphone, and I can say it's the best smartphone in 15,000 rupees. It is powered by 636 Snapdragon processor, which basically is the newest processor in this lineup. It has a 4 GB of RAM, yes, 4 GB of RAM, and a 64 GB of internal memory, a big 6-inch display, 4000 mAh battery, MIUI on the top, and not the latest but Android 7.0 Nougat. Talking about the feel of the smartphone, it feels pretty premium in hand. It's big in size, and the shots from this smartphone are pretty amazing. You can actually see the portraits, the color, the infinite autofocus and the color saturation in this smartphone. Talking about the landscape photography, it does pretty well, but in direct sunlight it lags somewhere. It's not the best in direct sunlight, and if you can ignore the direct sunlight, it's the good and it's the great. This is a front facing camera of Redmi Note 5 Pro, and right now I'm in park and I'm just enjoying the phone right now, and it's a quick test. If I say front camera is quite nice, rear camera is quite nice. Front we have 20 megapixel with Beautify enabled. You can see actually I'm looking good. Wow. That was the quick test if I say on this smartphone. और अगर कैमरे की मैं बात करूँ तो कैमरा इसमें 20 मेगापिक्सल का आगे है और 5 मेगापिक्सल का पीछे है. जो फ्रंट कैमरा है दैट इज़ क्वाइट नाइस, एंड वीडियो इसमें काफ़ी सही है. लाइक आई डोंट नो आगे स्टेबलाइजेशन है कि नहीं है, बट सी आई एम यूजिंग अ सेल्फी स्टिक एंड दैट्स प्रीटी कूल. This is my own review of this camera. I'm using the front camera and I'll be testing the back camera, and the back camera video is right after this. Hey, what is up guys, this is me and I am doing a video test on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. EIS testing it is. Actually I have enabled the EIS and right now I am walking in the park, and एक हाथ से मैंने पकड़ा हुआ. अगर मैं फ़ोन की बात करूँ तो बिल्कुल स्मूथ टाइप है. EIS काफ़ी सही वर्क कर रहा है. अब अगर मैं थोड़ा सा शेक करूँ इसको, लाइक इट्स शेकिंग, एंड यू कैन सी दैट हाउ द video actually it is from the rear camera on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. And guys, you can see like I am hitting the direct sunlight right now, how it is at focusing on sun. See, this is pretty nice in this price segment, and you can actually see the Delhi ke local parks वाली gym. And if I say अगर मैं किसी के ऊपर जाके घूमता हूँ तो कैसा लगता है. See, wow, it's nice. And we have a dog here. It's a complete test. Like how do we do? Wow, डर मत. So people are laughing out there, and if I say it's quite a good test, and the camera is quite nice. See that guy is enjoying with the kid. Wow, it's damn great. So thank you so much guys for watching this sample video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, subscribe to our channel and like the video.